Finding a stable, comfortable ride that doesn't strain your back or compromise your balance can be a real headache. I bought and tested the top 5 adult tricycles on the market to see which ones actually deliver a smooth, reliable ride without feeling clunky or unsafe. From classic pedal cruisers to high-powered electric models, here is what performed best in my real-world testing, so you don't waste your hard-earned money.
Product number 1. Razor DXT Drift Trike. When I first grabbed the heavy-duty steel handlebars of the Razor DXT, I could immediately tell this thing was built for speed and thrills rather than grocery runs. Sitting down in the low-slung bucket seat, the solid construction felt firm and stable right off the bat. During testing on paved hills, the slick rear wheels let me initiate smooth power slides and controlled drifts through wide turns without feeling like I was going to flip over. The front pneumatic tire grips paved roads tightly, giving you excellent steering response, while the pedals give you solid acceleration on flat stretches. My favorite part was how low to the ground you sit, which makes taking sharp corners feel thrilling yet completely secure. The front V-brake responded instantly whenever I needed to scrub off speed quickly. If you want a fun, adrenaline-pumping ride for recreational drifting rather than daily commuting, this trike is an absolute blast.
Product number 2. BGG FNZ Adult Tricycle Cruiser. Holding the wide, swept-back handlebars of the BGG FNZ Cruiser, I immediately noticed how relaxed my posture felt before I even started pedaling. The steel frame has a reassuring weight to it, and the cushioned saddle with built-in backrest made sitting down feel like resting in an armchair. During my neighborhood test rides, the wide tires rolled smoothly over bumpy pavement and minor road cracks without transferring harsh vibrations to my spine. The massive rear cargo basket easily swallowed 3 full bags of groceries without throwing off my center of gravity. Pedaling felt fluid, and the low step-through frame made getting on and off effortless, which is a massive plus if you have stiff knees or hip issues. The rear expansion brake provided gradual, predictable stopping power without jerking the frame to a sudden stop. If you need a comfortable, budget-friendly cruiser for errand runs and casual neighborhood rides, this is a fantastic choice.
Product number 3. Akiger 3-wheeled cruiser bicycle. When I unboxed the Akiger 3-wheeler, the polished frame finish and sturdy aluminum alloy rims immediately stood out in terms of build quality. The padded seat felt soft yet supportive during longer rides, and the ergonomic grips prevented hand fatigue while steering. When I took it out on my test route, the single-speed drivetrain kept things simple, eliminating any complicated gear shifting on flat park trails. The wide rear wheelbase provided incredible stability, meaning I could come to a complete stop at intersections without ever needing to put my feet down on the asphalt. The front basket and foldable rear basket offered tons of room for carrying gear, beach towels, or pet supplies. Its front caliper brake combined with a rear coaster brake gave me total control over my speed going down gentle inclines. If you want a low-maintenance, reliable trike for simple daily riding and park cruises, grab this model. Product number 4. Spacewalk Electric Tricycle. Lifting the handlebars of the Spacewalk Electric Trike, the heavy-duty aluminum frame felt incredibly solid, built to house the massive battery and motor assembly safely. Once I turned on the electric pedal assist during testing, the 748 watt-hour battery provided serious punch, effortlessly flattening steep hills that would normally leave me completely out of breath. The throttle control on the handlebar allowed me to cruise along at a brisk pace without pedaling at all whenever I felt tired. The fat tires gripped loose gravel and pavement with ease, offering a plush, air-cushioned ride over potholes. I was really impressed by the removable battery design, which allowed me to bring the pack indoors for easy charging without hauling the whole trike inside. The digital display stayed bright and readable under direct sunlight, showing speed and battery level clearly. If you want maximum electric power, long battery range, and effortless hill climbing, this trike is worth every penny.
Product number 5. Narak Electric Tricycle. Holding the controls of the Narak electric trike,
The hydraulic brake levers felt crisp and ultra-responsive to the touch, hinting at high-end engineering. What really blew me away during test drives was the rear differential system. It allowed the back wheels to turn at different speeds, making tight turns around street corners insanely smooth, without any skidding or tipping sensation. The motor delivered smooth, whisper-quiet acceleration without jerky starts, while the hydraulic disc brakes brought the Trike to a prompt, confident stop, even on wet pavement. The front suspension fork absorbed heavy bumps effortlessly, keeping the handlebars steady in my hands over rough roads. The rear basket comes with a sturdy cover to keep your belongings protected while running errands around town. If you are looking for an ultra top-tier electric Trike loaded with premium safety features and superior turning control, this is the ultimate option.
That wraps up my hands-on testing. Whether you want a fun drift trike, a simple neighborhood cruiser, or a powerful electric model, one of these 5 options will get you riding with total confidence. Check out the links down in the description below for current prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.